Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. Today we're doing a little swiping action here. So I have a couple of 10 by 20s that are taped up and ready to go. I've got my colors, which I'll bring you down and show you in a second. And this is just going to be a fairly straightforward swipe. I've got some paper towels cut up, ready to go. And I'm just going to do the rainbow colors and swipe up and down, and we'll go from there. Here we are with the colors today. I have a blue that are drips that I saved from other paintings, strained, add a little bit of white to make a pretty light blue. I have emerald green from Soho, scarlet red from Rust-Oleum, Sky Harbor from Modern Masters. These are some drips that were left over from a couple of other colors that I combined. Iridescent silver from Golden. This purple is also drips or ends of cups that I combined. Same with this kind of orangey color. I have iridescent gold from Goldens. And then back here I have an orange that is made from cadmium yellow and crimson red. My yellow here is cadmium yellow from Blick. And then I have Venetian blue from Modern Masters. I've sped this up just a little bit so that the video doesn't end up being too long. But what I'm doing here is I'm just laying down my paints, and I am doing a little bit of a squiggle pattern here. And this is what I often do when I'm doing this style of swipe. And the reason I do that is because it gives a little more variation between the top and the bottom. So it's not a perfect mirror image from the top to the bottom. And it gives a really good variegation of colors as you go across. And I also wanted to talk a little bit about my paint consistencies. I have my paints here a little bit thicker than I often use for a swipe, and I did that on purpose. And the reason is because I want my stripes to not be totally overtaken by cells and lacing and things like that. I want to keep the colors a little more vibrant and a little more solid. So having the paints a little bit thicker will allow that. And I think you'll see what I mean in the results at the end here. And then at the end, I'm going to sprinkle it with a little gold because I think everything should be sprinkled with a little gold.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. There was something you were screaming about, but I closed my ears 'cause I don't wanna hear it anymore. God, it's always something about me. Never something about you, always something about me, only me. What's up with that? What's up with that? Have you ever asked yourself, what's up with that? Oh baby, why won't you take a good look at yourself and stop blaming me? When I just wanna be with you, you my love. You my love. You my love. You my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh.
Here we go. Quick little video walk through. I really, really like how this turned out. I am definitely going to do another one real quick, so stay tuned for a twofer. I need to do a couple of things before I do this next painting, so I thought I would show you one of my quick little tricks and tips here. This is a mister bottle, so it gives a very, very fine mist. And what I do is I just do a light misting over all of my paints, and that helps keep a skin from forming on top. So I can walk away for a couple of hours and I don't have to worry about covering my paints and everything before I leave. One last thing I want to talk about here is that these paintings, along with a few other Pride-inspired paintings, will be available on my Etsy shop. And 100% of the proceeds are going to go to two nonprofits that I very vigorously believe in. One is Chicago House, which is a local not-for-profit that provides medical services for LGBTQ plus patients. And the other is Lambda Legal, which provides legal services for LGBTQ plus clients. And both of these are completely not-for-profit and don't charge their patients or clients for any of their services. So if you'd like to help me support those charities, take a look at my Etsy, and again, 100% of the proceeds minus shipping will go to these charities. And if you happen to be a Chicago local and want to pick up your painting, I will also donate the portion of the price that would have gone to shipping.